Hi everybody, I am finally going to do the darker mallet smash instead of the bright springy colors I've been doing. And I'm finally going to use glitter. Let's see, can I get you a little closer? That's probably about as close as I'm gonna get. So I'm going to use black, which I know gets me every time. And I may add a drop of white to it. So these have all been mixed with Floetrol and water. This one has iridescent medium. This is Grumbacher cadmium red deep hue, Grumbacher turquoise green, Grumbacher, it's a gold, and then black. But I think, as I said, I am going to drizzle some white in here. Just because pure black is challenging. There is not much paint in there. Oh, actually, I know what I can add to it. I'll mix it with Grumbacher iridescent white. Which is actually kind of pearl. It's pretty pearlized. Not really bright white. Alright, and as I've said, I am not a glitter girl, but I have been dying to use these. How much glitter is too much? I really don't know. Ah, you can't even see it when it's mixed in like that. Ah, maybe you gotta sprinkle it on after. Because you can't even see it in there anymore. Maybe glitter gets unglittery when mixed with paint. That must be. Well, we'll see what happens. Move these off to the side. And this is MDF board, primed with gesso and sanded down. And this is Dutch Boy interior latex paint. And I made the white significantly thicker than in my last video. I got, oh great, that was not thinking. Shoot. Oh well. Can't set it down right now then. Good thing I'm not using those whites anymore. So I know I'm off camera, but I am just tilting the white. So you are not missing a single thing. after this, I've got some resin projects I need to do, and I did buy a hard plastic measuring cup, which the resin should pull out of. The other stuff, oh crap. The paint mixing ones, the resin, no matter what I did, wouldn't come out of it. But those are kind of like a soft rubber or soft plastic. So I think this will work much better. Ugh, I'm like covered. And those weights are going to be glued together. And let's torch any bubbles out of this. And I see something. What is this? I don't know what it is, but it is out now. Until a viewer mentioned it, I totally had forgotten about this turntable. Glad she mentioned it. Okay, let's start with gold. I have a feeling that I will be able to feel the glitter afterwards, but this will be resined anyways, so it won't really matter. I'm really glad I lightened up that black though. Right now the glitter looks like caviar in there. Who doesn't want caviar in their paintings? Oh my god, these lids are so stuck on there. Oops. Color is so pretty. All right, now what I've learned from the last one is to not hit it so hard, because then it makes a ring around it. So it'll be here, then white, and then a ring, and I don't want that. So hit it softer. Oh my god, that looks disgusting. That totally looks like mud. We'll see if we can get it looking better. Let's torch. Alrighty, so that's not good. This one's not that bad. Trying to see what color to add. May actually add some vermilion, and I'm going to put it in a puddle right here. So I'm going to add vermilion and I think some yellow. So there it is. Vermilion in that bottom one. Whoa, not that much. Some more white up here though. Liking this one. So I'm going to try and tilt it out and see if tilting it makes it any different. Because I don't want to trash it yet. See, I made the white so thick for the mallet smash, but now it doesn't want to flow very well. It looks bad now, but it might be, we don't know for sure what will happen in the end. There's always hope. Something could come from this. Phoenix can rise. Just have to see. I mean, my hopes aren't that strong on it, but I do like the colors, especially since I added the orange. I really do love the colors. It's got kind of an island vibe. Tilting it away from me because I like this look that's happening right there. pretty. So I'm going to stretch out that look. Remember, there's no silicone in here, which aids to the softness of the look when being tilted. Once that goes over the edge, I'm gonna bring it back. Feeling more optimistic. Am I crazy? I like it. I really like it. It's pretty. I'm happy with it, actually. I mean, I was really unsure of where it was going, but I'm happy with it. My gloves are just full of paint. So I wonder if anything from that glitter, but I'm highly doubting it. But I do like this. I am shocked that I pulled this one off. Truly shocked. Wow. That makes me think of sitting on the beach with like a peach daiquiri or something. Ah, I always tilt you the wrong way. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Let me set you down so I can turn this off. Bye.